Hi friends, this is the video on coronavirus, like the impact of coronavirus on United States, and now the government of United States uh, is planning to reopen the states in different phases. Like Trump unveils plan to reopen states in and like different phases. In last meeting, as COVID-19 continues to spread across the United States, and the current president of United States Donald Trump has given guidance to the governors regarding the reopening states in terms of economy side, like financial side, to on the booming side. The US currently cases are 6 lakh 54,301 confirmed cases, and more than 32,000 deaths have been confirmed until now. Mr. Trump has suggested some states to could reopen some states in this running month. You can see here what did Trump say at the briefing. He said America wants to open and Americans wants to open because they want to go and work. He said that the prolonged lockdown will be risked in inflicting a serious toll on public health, because people will move in the drug side, alcohol, heart diseases, and many other mental issues they will face. Due to these reasons, the government decided to reopen the different state in different phases. What is the plan? The administration 18-page guidelines document detail in three phases. The here the phase one. In phase one, the current lockdown measures such as avoiding non-essential travel, like no allowed traveling, no gathering not allowed in groups, but some restaurants will open, places of worship and sports venue with strict physical distancing protocol will be upheld. On the other side, after they measuring the impact of first phase, like how spreading or not spreading during the phase 1, then government will move on the phase 2. In phase 2, government will allow non-essential travel to resume. The guidance says schools can reopen and bar can operate with limited space, some people's allow in we can say in bars and other thing. At third phase, to measure the cases of spreading or not in two phases, then government will move on the third phase. In this phase, increase the capacity of bars, increase their standing room capacity. They can gather more people than in phase 1 and phase 2. After these things will done step by step, and maybe some states reopen after a very long time, in a few months. This is the whole situation of the US current time period. But what are the other countries doing in this situation? If we say the Germany is easing restrictions. Shops may open as early as next week. Austria has reopened thousands of shops. France has extended its France extended lockdowns, but Germany and Austria have relaxed some conditions. Italy is allowing limited number of shops to reopen. India has extended its lockdown. The UK has extended lockdown. Denmark has said it intends to ease its lockdown faster than originally planned. Spain has allowed some business to return to work, and also Poland will begin lifting restrictions this weekend. Some countries are relaxing to their businesses and some not. But this is the major condition of the United States in this video. uh,